Welcome to Shine with Toro.
We're learning together one small step at a time.
Tada! Tada! Something happened.
What happened?
A letter came. For you.
A letter from whom? Salam, Dora. My name is Aisha. My daughter Mariam is 8 years old. She is such a sweet girl. But lately, something has changed. When I call her, she groans. When I ask her to help, she huffs and walks away. Sometimes she doesn't even look up. I keep trying, but it feels like she stopped caring. Dora, it breaks my heart.
It feels like I'm
Can you
talking to a
please
wall.
help me? She said it feels like I'm talking to a wall?
Shine. That must feel so heavy.
I want to help her, but how do we show Mariam what her mama is feeling?
What if she could actually see it?
We show her. We act it out the wrong way first, then the right way.
So she can see the difference with her own eyes.
Let's go!
Tada, please go and tidy your room.
Oh, Mama, no! My friend Fatima's over. I am doing something with her.
Did Tara speak nicely? No! She was loud. She had an attitude. Look at Mama's face. Does Mama look happy? That is exactly what Mariam does to Aisha, Auntie. Every day.
How do you think Mama feels right now?
She feels her. She feels invisible.
Tara, why did you speak like that?
Because I felt frustrated. I didn't want to stop playing.
That feeling is okay. We all feel frustrated sometimes. But can we choose what we do with that feeling?
Yes, I can feel frustrated and still be kind.
The Prophet, peace be upon him, was always gentle, even when things were hard.
So, when something big is bubbling inside, what could we do before we speak?
Say Bismillah.
Take one slow breath.
Tada, please come and tidy your room.
Mama, I'm still playing. Can I please have a little bit more time? I'll tidy after, I promise.
Of course, my love. Jazakallahu khairan for asking so nicely.
Same Tara, same feeling inside. But Bismillah, one breath, kind words.
Did you notice something just now?
She's relaxed, like she's been waiting to hear that all day.
Rule 1. No shouting. Use your soft voice, even when you feel something big inside.
Rule 2. No whining. Say what you need, clearly and calmly. One breath, then speak. That is how we speak politely with our mama. Start with salam. Peace always comes first.
Wa alaikum assalam, dear Aisha auntie. Mariam is not broken. She just hasn't learned yet. Show her this. Not as a punishment, as a gift. Teach her. Bismillah. One breath, kind words, no shouting, no whining. And when she gets it right, tell her. Her heart needs to hear it too. We are making dua for you and Mariam. With love, Dora and Fatima.
Inshallah, her heart will feel better.
Bismillah.
One breath.
One kind word makes Mama happy.
That's all it takes.
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.